Welcome to the introduction of our 3 Pilipinas complex number calculator. This presentation will cover a free, high-precision engineering tool built specifically for electrical engineering students and researchers doing AC circuit analysis. So, what is R3 Calc? It is a browser-based calculator designed directly for electrical engineering workflows. Unlike general-purpose calculators, it natively supports polar notation, the J operator, and complex coefficient linear equations, exactly the operations you encounter in phasor analysis and mesh or nodal problems. It returns both rectangular and polar forms simultaneously, runs entirely in the browser with zero friction, and is perfect for students, instructors, and board exam reviewees. Let's look at the core features. First, the expression evaluator offers high-precision arithmetic with rectangular, polar, or mixed inputs, accepting standard symbols like angle brackets and the J imaginary unit. Second, the equation solver handles systems of linear equations with complex coefficients using LU decomposition. Finally, all results feature 10 decimal precision with trailing zeros suppressed for clean readability. Here is a worked example demonstrating Kirchhoff's laws in a 2-loop AC circuit. Given a circuit with resistors, inductors, and capacitors, we set up our KCL and KVL equations. Using R3 Calc, we solve for V1 and E2. The tool also validates the power analysis, showing that the current source is supplying 131.9 watts of real power. For advanced engineering work, R3 Pro offers even more power. It adds MATLAB visual input, CATX beautiful typeset rendering, and extends the equation solver up to 5x5 systems. It also includes calculation history and a built-in circuit draw tool to design circuits and export them as clean SVG files. Under the hood, R3 Calc is powered by Math.js for core computations, uses LU decomposition for solving simultaneous equations, and features a smart preprocessor that translates engineering notation transparently. The app is 100% client-side with zero backend dependency, and is hosted on Netlify. Ready to get started? R3 Calc is free and available immediately at r3complexcalc.netlify.app. It is maintained by a registered electrical engineer with over 30 years of experience. Try the Pro features using the demo key listed here. Thank you.